We will guide you through how to create hatch boundary in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open a drawing by clicking New to create a new drawing or Open to access an existing .dwg file. Open the drawing that contains the hatch without a visible or selectable boundary. Locate the hatch object that has lost its original boundary or has become separated from its boundary after being copied from another AutoCAD file. Click the hatch object to select it and verify that the hatch pattern is still available in the drawing. Click inside the command line, type hatch edit, and press enter. If prompted, select the hatch object that does not have a boundary. The Hatch Editor tab will appear and provide several options for modifying the selected hatch. Locate the Recreate Boundary option in the Hatch Editor tab. Click Recreate Boundary to generate a new boundary around the existing hatch. When AutoCAD asks you to choose the boundary type, select Polyline because it creates a single closed object that is easy to edit later. Press Enter to confirm the boundary creation and allow AutoCAD to generate the new boundary around the hatch. Move or copy the hatch and boundary slightly if necessary to confirm that the recreated boundary matches the exact shape of the hatch. If any section requires adjustment, type Edit and edit the recreated polyline until it follows the desired outline correctly. Use the Properties panel to inspect the hatch and boundary separately and confirm that both objects remain available for independent editing. Save the drawing by clicking Save or pressing Ctrl+S to preserve the hatch and recreated boundary for future editing or printing.